Hello, my friends. Phil Pravda here, Suit Cafe, suitcafe.com, and I have a new unboxing for you. It is winter in New York. It's cold. It's really cold now, and even more cold coming. So what do we have? We have an overcoat, and here it is. Thanks for coming back, everybody, and thanks for watching. Yes, it's winter, and it's overcoat time here in New York. Flannel suits, overcoat, parkas, skiing, everything going on here in the wintertime in the state of New York. And I want to show you this beautiful overcoat that I just received for a customer. Cashmere, but remember the last video I showed you the cashmere coat with the mink lining. That was black cashmere. This one is a little different because the color is a little more unusual, a color you don't usually see in an overcoat. So I'm going to get it for you right now. And here we have it. I'm going to put it right in front of the screen. This is a gorgeous olive green cashmere coat. And again, the big size, you know, like I always say, most of my customers are bigger. So you can see right here. Now, there's another coat underneath. If you remember the video that I did a while back with my stretch raincoat, that's what's underneath. And let me tell you why I left it underneath. This has a regular lining inside, a custom lining for this customer. We did some nice things with some photographs on the inside. But you can see all the hand stitching around the lapel, around the collar, around the front of the coat. It goes all the way around the front, all the way to the bottom. And we picked out these special buttons, these sort of olive green horn buttons to go nicely with this coat. Because, you know, a navy blue or a black button, it's really not going to look so nice. You need something more rustic, some more country looking, because it's a really beautiful, beautiful coat. And also what we did was on the back of the coat, you can see the back here, which also came out really, really nice. We made a self-collar. So you can see here, the collar underneath is also all cashmere. Hopefully you could pick up the luster of the fabric because it has a beautiful, beautiful luster to it. But I wanted to just explain one more thing that we did here is like I was saying about the raincoat. If you remember my navy raincoat, it's actually hanging underneath this coat right here. You could see it. It's hanging underneath. The navy stretch raincoat, we took that same model that we made in the summertime and for the fall, and instead of 95 centimeters, we made it 110 centimeters, just a little bit longer, and we made the exact same thing, and we just put it in some beautiful overcoat fabrics, and they came out gorgeous, whether it was solid colors like this, some more unusual colors for a coat as opposed to just black or navy, and we made some plaids, and we made some houndstooth coats, which also came out very, very nice. So we're going to see those pretty soon, and I'll show them on here. So this is what I wanted to show you here, the olive green. I'm going to hold it a little close. Hopefully you can get a good close-up of that color. And let's see, the camera should focus in on it, hopefully nicely, and not focus in on me, I hope. And so you can see that right there. And that's the newest piece that we got in. Next, we'll do some shirts. We got some beautiful shirts came in, and I'm going to show you those in the next unboxing. So see you all again. Oh, by the way, something new. Download the What's Not app. The name of the app is Whatnot. I'm doing social selling on that app. Some special prices of some special things that I have. And you can buy them right on the app. And it's all live streaming. Everything live. So I'll be there. And watch my YouTube community tab for links to those Whatnot special shows that I'll be putting on. So again, see you all. Subscribe and hit that notification bell. See you all when I'm back at it.